Hi, and welcome to an overview of the Stockscores Education Center. I'm going to give you a quick sense of the different areas in this education center and how you can use them to be a better trader. Now, everyone gets free access to the Getting Started videos. If you want to see those modules, you simply click on the title here, and you can see all the titles that we have created, which are free for you to watch. So, you want to learn how the Stockscores indicators work, click on the video button, and a video will begin. Now, when you're watching the videos, I recommend that you increase it to full screen size. You can do that once you've started watching the video by clicking on the little icon here in the bottom right-hand corner. Everyone should be able to see that little full screen icon. I also recommend that you set your quality to the highest possible. So rather than watch it in 480, if you can watch it in 720, provided you have the bandwidth, you're just going to get more detail from that particular lesson. So again, everything in the Getting Started area is free. Now, when you move to the foundation area, what you're really looking at are the basic skills that you need to apply the strategies of the Stockscores approach. We start with an overview video. It just gives a general overview of how to work through the material, but you will see that in the foundation we've got a number of titles here. All of these are important skills for analyzing stocks, knowing when to exit, how to manage risk, understanding this concept of the expected value of the trade, etc. Now, each lesson has a written component, so I can click on this and see the written component. I can also watch a video. Just as in the Getting Started area, we have a video in support of each lesson. Once you've done the lesson and watched the video, you're ready to do the assignment. So you can click on assignment and watch or study that particular assignment and make sure that you sort of understand the skill involved. If you want to print an assignment, you click on the printer button. It's all very simple to work through this education yourself. Now, once you've done all that, you're ready to take the test. And I've taken the first test here. You can take each test. They're multiple choice tests. And once you're done, it'll give you a mark for that particular test. So you can see on my only test that I've completed here, I got 10 out of 10. All right, so that's the foundation. Once you have completed the foundation, you're ready to move into the strategies. And this is really the most important and most valuable part of the Stockscores Education Center. These are the actual rules for when to buy, when to sell, how to manage risk, etc. Now, as time passes, I am adding more strategies here. Anytime I come up with an idea, I'll come up with a new one. And these are pretty simple. The strategies are not complicated, but the rules for when to buy, when to sell, how to manage risk, and the processes to do that is all contained in the lesson and also explained in a video. Now, the investor strategies are for the person who doesn't want to watch the market all day, perhaps doing their research in the evenings or on the weekends. For those that want to be a little bit more active, I recommend the active trader strategies. These are strategies for when to buy, sell, manage risk, and the processes for doing that for the shorter term trader, the day trader, the swing trader, someone who is able to monitor the market, trade the market through the trading day. Now you can see here that it says purchased. I've purchased these things. Well, I didn't purchase it, but of course I have access to it. And anytime you have access to a bundle, it'll tell you that you've purchased it. If you have not purchased that bundle or don't have access to it, then it will show you a price here. That is your upgrade price or the price to purchase. So if you want to buy the foundation, it's $995. The investor is $2,495, and the active trader is $3,495. And if you start with the foundation, then you want to upgrade to the investor, let's say, you're simply paying the difference plus $250. If you buy the active trader course, you also get the investor and the foundation. If you buy the investor, you also get the foundation. Hopefully you get the idea. If you ever have any questions, you can contact us and we'll answer it about pricing and that sort of thing. For people in Canada, it's possible to get a big discount on the Stockscores Education Center, and this advertisement here will link you to a page that explains those discounts. It's only open to Canadians who have an interest in opening a brokerage account with Desjardins Online Brokerage. As part of opening an account with them, they give you access to these areas at a pretty big discount, so that's something to consider. So hopefully this has been a good overview of the Stockscores Education Center. I encourage you to work through the free Getting Started videos and then consider the Foundation, Investor, and Active Trader bundles if you want to take your trading to a higher level. Trade well.